With over 800 pocket square folds available and a variety of fabrics to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to begin. Let's look at 3 classic folds to help you start incorporating this accessory into your wardrobe. Welcome back to my 1928. I am Piper Williams. If you're new to this channel and want to learn more about how to fold pocket squares, start now by clicking subscribe and that bell, that way you don't miss any future content. For our first fold, I'm using a large cotton pocket square because its stiff texture will provide a nice, clean, crisp edge. Alternatively, linen will achieve a similar result. Start by laying your square flat. Fold in half lengthwise. Then fold in half again. This will create a smaller square. Now, as you can see, we have a rounded edge here and a stitched edge here. And depending on what you want to showcase, you can choose the rounded edge or the stitched edge. Because I want to feature the stitched edge, this will be the top of our fold. So we will fold it in half once more, and taking the rounded edge, which is now the bottom, we're going to fold it up towards our stitched edge. And depending on how deep your breast pocket is, you may need to adjust this portion so that it can be seen. Place the folded square in your pocket and adjust as needed. For this fold, I've chosen a large silk square, specifically because I want to showcase the smooth, rounded texture. Be sure to use a larger square so that it doesn't slide down into your pocket. With a square laid flat, find the center of your square and pinch the fabric with your thumb and forefinger. With your other hand, create a ring using your other thumb and forefinger, placing it around the pinched portion of your pocket square. Gently pull the square up through this ring. This will create a puff. Pinch the bottom of the puff and with your other hand, twist the remaining portion of the square and fold it up behind the puff. Place the folded square into your breast pocket and adjust as needed. With this fold, I've chosen to use another cotton pocket square, namely because I want the points of my crown to have sharp, crisp edges, which are best achieved with a stiff fabric, like cotton or linen. Again, be sure to use a larger square so that it doesn't slide down into your pocket. Once you have your square laid flat, draw the bottom corner up to the top corner, forming a triangle. Next, find the middle of your triangle. Gently hold down that point and draw up one corner alongside the top point of your triangle. This will form the first point of your crown. Next, draw up the other corner while holding the center and fold down on the other side of the triangle's point. This will create the second point of your crown. Fold in the excess edges and, depending on the size of your breast pocket, you may choose to fold the bottom up. Place the folded square in your breast pocket and adjust as necessary. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these folds is your favorite? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And if you'd like to share your personal style with me on social media, use hashtag my1928 on Instagram and Twitter. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.